Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. So today I am going to teach you science and we are going to study about living and non-living things. Let us first discuss about living things. Okay, we are surrounded by so many things. We classify them as living things and non-living things. So let us discuss living things first. Living things are those things which can move, which can grow, which can breathe, which needs food, which feel changes and which reproduce. So these all are the characteristics of a living thing. Living things move from one place to another. They also need food in order to survive. They also feel changes like it is hot, it is cold. They also reproduce, means they can grow same individuals like them. Now let us understand living things with the help of few examples. Examples of living things are human beings. See, I am a human being. You all are also a human being. Human beings, we eat food, we grow, we breathe, we feel changes. So we are known as living things. Then animals, like us, animals also move from one place to another. They also need food, they also reproduce, they also grow, and they also breathe. So animals is also the example of living things. Then come to birds. Birds are also the example of living things. In the same manner, they grow, they breathe, they need food, they reproduce. And how do birds move? They move with the help of their feathers, means they fly from one place to another. Then come to plants. Plants are also the example of living things because they grow, they need food, they reproduce. And what is the food of plants? They need sunlight and water. Then come to flowers. Flowers are also the example of living things because they grow, they need food, they breathe, they reproduce. I'll give you an example of the movement of plants and flowers. There is a plant named mimosa plant. When we touch that mimosa plant, the leaves of that plant is shrinken up, means they shrink up like this. And lotus flowers will open up in the sunlight like this, and in the moonlight it will closes like this. So these are the few movements which plants and flowers show. Now let us understand non-living things. So non-living things are those things which does not move, they do not grow, they does not breathe, they don't need any food. Let us take few examples of non-living things. Dolls. Yes, the dolls which we use to play. See, this is a doll. She doesn't need any food, she doesn't breathe, she doesn't reproduce, she doesn't move from one place to another by herself. Okay, she doesn't reproduce. Then cricket bats, the bats which you used to play with. Okay, so cricket bats are also known as non-living things because they do not grow, they do not breathe, they do not need food, they do not reproduce. Then chairs. Chair is also an example of non-living things because it does not grow, it does not breathe, it does not need any food, it does not reproduce. Okay. Then take an example of ball. See, these are the balls. They do not grow, they don't need any food, they don't reproduce, right? They don't move from one place to another by themselves. If I throw it like this, it will move from one place to another, but it is not able to move by himself, herself. Okay. Then car. Car is also an example of non-living things. See, it moves from one place to another, but it is not able to move by their own. They need the help of human beings to move from one place to another. They do not need any food, they do not reproduce, they do not grow. So these are all the examples of non-living things. Hope all of you understand. Thank you.